Hello, welcome back. How about some lilac sugar? Now you can use this for your tea, coffee, any of your drinks, or you could even use it as a sugar scrub. So cut all those little lovelies off, leaving, the bad ones. You don't need those. So I'm gonna cut some up. Just keep chopping away. I got these ones from a friend's house because we used all of ours in our lemonade videos. So yeah, I'm going to continue to trim these up, get a nice little pile here, and you guys, I'll be back. And I want to state again that you want to make sure you're using lilacs that are not sprayed with any sort of a pesticide of any sort. So make sure your flowers are clean flowers. All right, I think we might have enough. Can always put more in to your liking. Get these little brown ones out of there. All right, so we're just gonna sprinkle those in there. And very gently mix them up. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. You guys, again, this is great for tea, a sugar scrub. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. It looks pretty. Sugar for your tea, anyone?